Today we have one of my favorites, 1966 Maserati Mistral Coupe. This one happens to be a 4-liter. They also came in 3.7-liter. CF 5-speed manual gearbox. It has been well known to us, having been serviced by us, having been sold by us. It is one of my favorites. Simply put, it's a lot of vintage Maserati in excellent condition for the money. And some people love it, some people hate it. I love it. It's got a Webasto roof, which basically opens like a sardine can and is huge. So, best of both worlds. Coupe and convertible, if you will. Let's go. Well, here we go. We're going to start her up. She's been outside for most of the day. It's got Lucas mechanical injection, which has a choke. Does work really well. So we're going to warm it up a little bit until she's happy, and then we will get on the road, get her to operating temperatures, get her happy, and then put her through her paces. We're gonna go first to third gear since it's 30 some odd degrees, and slowly lower this. As we warm her up a little bit, we can show you that everything is working. She'll be happier as soon as she warms up a bit and we can lower the choke. It's got wonderful air conditioning, which blows right on you, which we're not going to put on today because it is cold out. And let's see. Nice horn, a little more modern radio, but has a nice little Maserati emblem. So we're gonna get this to full operating temperature with the choke off and drive around suburbia and come right back to you in a short period of time. Well, we are almost at operating temperatures. So while we're sitting at the light here, getting ready to get on the curvaceous road, we're going to open the Webasto roof, and we're just going to open it all the way and lock it into place. And we're going to go before the person behind me goes nuts and starts beeping. So yes, it is a little chilly out, and it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. We're on the curvaceous road, and we're going to unhook this, put this back, lock it down into place, and wait for a nicer day, some sunshine, more foliage. And right now we're just going to enjoy driving the car. So it's got a great gearbox, it'll stick from gear to gear. Steering's wonderful. Got disc brakes. Does corner really well. It's got plenty of power. Fun to drive. It's comfortable to drive. It sounds great. It's wonderful Maserati sports car with an exceptionally elegant feel. A lovely color combination, which is not normally seen. Aubergine, I believe we just call that eggplant, with a mushroom interior. It's in excellent condition throughout. So we're going to show you what it sounds like from the outside with our flybys in a second. Jason is going to be very helpful and, you know, weather the weather.
You do what you gotta do.
Amen. flybys are part of the past. We're going to cruise down to the farm road. I'm going to turn on the radio a little bit. To show you how well it works. And then we're going to shut it off to show you how well the car sounds. What other amenities does it have? Electric windows. Down, muy frío. Up. We can show you the glove box because that holds a lot. But it'll hold just enough. And then if you want to, you know, hook up your phone so you can play your tunes. And next stop, oh, look at this. What a wonderful ashtray that's never been used. This is definitely a non-smoker. We're going to get on the farm road. I'm going to go through the gears, show you how the 4-liter accelerates a little bit. Take her to the homestead, clean her up, and put her in the showroom. But once again, this is one of my favorites because she has led a charmed life and always been taken care of. And its most recent ownership, it has come from Northern California, where it was used in for road trips. So we'll be right back. Onto the FFR road we go. First, second, third, fourth. Great sound, great cruising. All temperatures and pressures are wonderful. Car tracks exceptionally straight, brakes exceptionally well. And then we'll drop down the third, second, get on it. It has plenty of grunt for its era. Find us. Thank you for watching. She's a wonderful Mistral 4-liter that really needs nothing at the moment but a new home. So, see ya.